Oh, hey, how you doing? This is Alan's the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something from China. China! Check that out. That is like the happiest cow. Wow. And there's this side. And this side. This is the House of Delicious Taste. Thank you to Kyle over in Taiwan for helping me out with the translation. I thoroughly appreciate it. This is a vermicelli. It's a hot and sour. And it looks like a there we go, 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. And you don't drain it. What do we got in here? A little bag of peanuts. Black vinegar. This is reddish, so I'm going to say it's a spicy oil. I'm not sure. These show up all the time. I think this is tofu skin. This... mushroom? I really don't know. Powder, mostly MSG, I'm sure. And our vermicelli. This is sweet potato thread. So let's get it in there. If it'll cooperate. So how's everyone doing? I can't even imagine what your world is like. It just gets weirder and weirder. At least on this end. So let's put all these in. First, the powder sachet. I'll let you watch it drop. Sure that's... oh, it's such a light powder. I just smelled it and it went right up my nose. Oh, wow. Man, that was weird. Dude. Whoa. And here's some of the... I'm going with mushroom. I don't know, I could be wrong. Although, let me let you know right now that that would be a first. Never been wrong. Never been wrong. Actually, I'm wrong from time to time. Let's do the peanut. Peanuts go really well in instant noodles, and these ones are included. Whoops! Hey, get back here, sucker. There's one. So peanuts you get in Asia are different. They're very dry. They're not all oily. Yeah, this is a spicy stuff. And then finally, this one will be easy to figure out by the scent. Oh yeah, that's black vinegar. And then it's time for the liquid, which goes up to here. Lid, 5 to 6 minutes. Let's move you over here. We'll do 5.5. Why not? There we go. And get rid of some of this mess. So, yeah. Today is October 15th? 16th? It's the 16th. Why do I know? Because they're teaching about days of the week and the month and all that in kindergarten and in preschool, and they're doing a dang good job of it. Oh, man. There's like a meme going around of how to eat instant noodles like a boss, and one of them is like, pouring boiling water down your throat, and the guy's like snorting a line of spicy Korean ramen powder. Just like that little tiny cloud bit from the, oh, that's what I was gonna do. Hold on. Yeah. I got some beef. I'm going to boil it a little bit for this one. It'd probably be better sauteed, but I just, yeah, you know. A little burled beef will work fine. We can call it stewed beef. How about that? Yeah. Well, let's do the book. Oh, I started the timer. Good. Good. Everything is on course. And yes, the children are here, but they're being quiet. They're being really good. I'm sure I just jinxed that. Yeah. So let's see. This is Momo Fukuando Speaks. It's a book of quotations by the guy who invented instant noodles. We're on number... 79. Number 79. Every high mountain hides a deep valley behind it. Well, you know, every high mountain hides a deep valley behind it. Yeah. It's a funny one. So, been weird around here. We had that big windstorm, and stuff's been interesting. We, let's see. I walked to the store and I got a bunch of groceries the other day. I'm walking back, and we live on a hill. Very nice. So I'm walking up the hill, and there's this ramp that goes this way. So I'm going this way. No. Yeah, and there's a ramp that goes this way at City Hall. I'm going up, and there's this guy. Okay, first off, it's not warm. It's in like the 40s to 50s at this point. It's early evening. This guy, completely like ultra muscle bound, right? Not wearing a shirt, and like sparring. Like he's all... Right? I'm like, this guy's tweaking. There's something going on with him. This ain't right. There's like no reason. So I'm going up, and as soon as I pass him, he like stops and like goes and starts walking down the ramp, and is walking faster than me, and gets in front of me and turns and faces me, and is like sitting there with like either a little cigar or a joint, and like he's hitting on it. I'm thinking like, this guy's gonna like get in my face about something or whatever. Who knows? I just like looked at him and said, "Hey, how's it going?" Just like that. And just kept going. I think I made him jump. That's kind of like if I see some crazy stuff about to happen, like if somebody's gonna like be, because I mean I spend a lot of time out on the street. I mean really, I get up like this morning. I was out walking from 3:50 a.m. until 6:45 a.m. There's some weirdos out at that time from time to time. So yeah, I don't know, but guy left me alone. But this guy totally, he could have like beat the crap out of me if he wanted to. I mean, I have a feeling he was probably up for 6 days and did end up bugging somebody and probably spent the evening in a padded cell somewhere. But I don't know. Hopefully not. Hopefully he had a wonderful time of it. Wow, that was quick. Alright, I think that beef is done. Fish this beef out of this pot. I've got another one that's vegan, so maybe I'll save some of this for the vegan too. Sounds good to me. All right. Good enough. Go right here. All right. So we've got this right here with picture of cow at the ready. That's a lot. Whoa. Look at all that. Well, let's give it a stir. So that, I know, is not probably your favorite looking thing, but it might be good. So let's find out. Right? Alright. Alright. So this is... it's like sweet potato thread. Like sweet potato vermicelli. Pretty thick too. All right. It's not bad. Spicy. Got a sourness to it. Very oily stuff. I mean, look at that. Wow, that's heavy duty. Whew. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That is oily, dude. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. Oof. I'm putting it in that pot again. That seems like the safest way to go. Okay, hold on. I'm doing this over the sink just to see that respect. That is a lot of noodles in that little flower pot. And I was going to go with a different bowl, but I think the logical thing to do... Oh man, it is so dark out too. See, this time of year is my least favorite. I like it like personally, but I don't like it photographically, that's for sure. because this time of year means really bad lighting, and really bad lighting is not a friend to soups and pasta. Well, if pasta doesn't contain soup, it's fine. But at noodles, it's like I can reflect light off the ceiling. It's called a bounce. And I'll take my coffee stand and I'll point the light straight up. But then that can reflect on the soup itself. So it's like the lighting situation is just a bear right now. Oh, wow. I don't really need to use that pot again. For today, that's good. Ugh. Splashing my meat. Sounded funny. Yeah, this is just one that I don't think would ever, under any real circumstances, photograph well. Ugh. Yeah. This is pretty good stuff, despite the issues being had with it. I think the next one will probably look a lot nicer, though. But yeah. Where's all the bits and pieces? They're all at the bottom. There's some. Yeah, I'm gonna call it good. Alright. I despise artificial light, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it a hand for being the beginning of the season of my absolute contempt for the season. Yeah, so it's spicy, it's sour, it's authentic, you know. It tastes like a hot and sour that you taste over in Asia, that's for sure. Usually the ones we have here just don't have that black vinegar hit like something like this does. So if you're not used to black vinegar, give this a try, you might like it. And anyways, hey, this has been Odds the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Tomorrow's video will be of something vegan from the USA. Have a good one. Bye.